Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Alicia in Cryptoland. I'm your host Alicia. This series aims to introduce those early stage projects with original ideas. Our guest today is Sunset from What? Hi Sunset, how is everything going?
All is going good.
Very glad
How
you.
are you?
Yeah, I'm good as
How?
well. Very glad to have you here.
Glad to be here. Nice.
Okay, so to start with, could you briefly introduce your project?
Sure. I'm Sansul. I'm the front-end lead of the project. We are building what? Google for NFTs. We want to become the most powerful search engine in the crypto space. And to do that, we want to connect humans with web-free space. And our secret to do that is natural language.
Oh, okay, a search engine. So you mean like I can just search NFTs like I use Google. Or could you explain a little bit more about that?
Yeah, for example, if you want to search like doodles happy, you maybe don't want, you have an empty result in OpenSea or something like that. But if you search doodles happy in what, you're going to have the result with all doodles that have the smile happy face attribute. So we enable a next level of searching as this.
Okay, yeah, that's cool because sometimes the NFTs they looks like very similar. It's difficult to find the one I'm really looking for. But is there anything else I can search? For example, if I'm interested in the varieties of one series, like I want to know which is the most variety NFT in the collection, or which one is the most expensive. Can I also do that?
Yeah, you can search for example, top collection of the day, top collection with best P profile, best profile. You can search for best collection below one Ethereum. You can search for last sales of a collection, for top trades of a collection. You can search for floor, floor of a collection, number of owner, statics, in general, using natural language. So also you can search at, NFTs using attributes or using narrative, using emotion. For example, you can search for Azuki, Ninja Azuki, or something like Sad Doodle. We are enabled other dimension of search NFTs.
Okay, and how many collections are supported currently?
Currently, we are supporting 300 collection. We have plans to add more. So, and also if you have a custom collection that you want to be supported by what, just ping us on Twitter or on Discord, and we'll be happy to integrate it.
Yeah, this is very very user friendly, I think. But how did you come up with the idea? Yeah, maybe could you tell us more about your team and yeah, and how did you come up with the idea?
Yeah, sure. Right now, we are international team, first remote. Our core team member is composed by 4 members. First of all, we have Hal. Hal is our machine learning engineer. He has a PhD in one of the most important university in the world. He's behind of the natural language processing of what. Also, we have Andre. Andre have a lot of experience in Web3, and also he's well connected in crypto space. So he's pushing the business part and the product of what. In the third place, we have Mukesh. Mukesh is our backend engineer. Also, he's doing also DevOps stuff of what. He has a lot of experience and he's coming from Web2. And finally, me, I'm a senior full stack engineer and I'm leading the front end of the project. And I have been here in the crypto space for the last 3 years. Also, we met each other in a hackathon. So maybe someone in the audience want to join this Web3 space. Just do it. There are a lot of opportunities. There is a lot of builders looking for another founder. So just do it. Also, ask me about why we develop what. So currently, search solution of currently NFT project, they are not well designed for humans, are designed for robots. So the robots can fetch their on-chain data, and for example, attributes or description on NFTs. So also there is a lot of NFTs. There are more NFTs than websites in the 2000. Also, search for a collection name is difficult. That you mentioned, maybe you have a typo when you input in the search, and maybe you're going to have another different result that you're looking for. So we are here to help the user to push the experience user to the next level using search engine. So we want to enable user to use emotion, to use narratives, to use colors, to use animals, whatever they want, to search NFTs. We know that training a machine learning is difficult, it's hard, and it's expensive. So we are here to help the builders to focus on their product and leave us the search part and of their product.
Okay. And speaking of the narratives, I mean, when if I want to search thing in what, how can the machine recognize my narrative? Should I just write anything I want? How could you? How is the machine identifying my content? Or you will have some suggestions for the users to use?
Yeah, under the hood we have natural language processing. That is the hard part. He is training a machine learning model that will be better over the time and with more fetch calls in our API. So there is the secret: machine learning and a lot of data, a lot of data models, and a lot of data intersection of NFT. We are using for that data in NFT data intersection. We are using Reservoir and also Module. They are a great companies con very cool project. So they help. We're building what with their help. Yeah.
Yeah.
We train our machine learning model with their NFT data intersection.
Okay, great. And could you tell us more about your current process and maybe your future developing plan?
Yeah, we are in an early stage. Right now, we have a demo that you can test what I'm saying on our demo. You can search for using emotion, for example. We have a Discord bot. You can integrate our Discord bot in your Discord and enable what there and search for large sales of a collection, of a floor of a collection. Also, we have documentation for builders. So you can start building with what right now, right here, right now. And also we have an autocomplete layer. So if you already have an NFT provider or backend, you also just enable an autocomplete with what use and having recommendation in your project. So this is very powerful, very easy to integrate with a few clicks. So just try it. We are very happy to share this project with other builders.
Yeah, that's great. I think no more introduction will be needed. The best way to know how to use this is just try, and it's very easy to use. I mean, for everyone, just use searches as you do in Google. Meanwhile, I guess if the community members have any feedback, they can communicate with you in Discord, right, to help you to do more improvement.
Yeah, sure. We know that user feedback is very important for a company. We are listening our builders. So yes, just ping us. We're very happy to have a conversation, to listen to you and listen to your ideas and iterate over that feedback. So yeah, it's very important for us. We have planning also to launch a hackathon in the next weeks for what builders. So keep an eye on our Discord, and yeah, join us.
So I think that's all for today. For the audience who are interested in what, I will put all the links in the description. Thank you very much, Sancel, for joining us today. Very glad to have you here.
Thank you for the invitation. Very glad to be here.
Have a nice day, everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.